Hello guys, this is Vaibhav Dongde and welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Vaibhav, and today we have boAt's Airdope 215. Okay, and this is the box just we have received in the morning, and I'm going to unbox this. So let's open this box. This is Amazon premium packaging, and this is the box. Basically it's a forest sage color which I have bring it, and let's unboxing the same and we'll see, and we'll get you through all the features, okay, which is available in this particular box. It is written, just a moment, yeah, let me open this. So this was the box. This was the box packaging, and we'll show you how it look alike. This is a premium box packaging. It is mentioned as an accessory here. So let's open this Airdopes first. This is it is packed in the plastic bags. So the Airdope is look alike this way. Okay, it's a forest sage color. boAt's packaging is there, and I'm going to open this now. If you see, it's look like very premium. There is a blue light blinket in it, and these are the Airdopes. Okay, these are the Airdopes, and we have one more session, that is accessory. So in the accessory column, we found the charging cable, I believe so. So this would be the charging cable, and this is absolutely a Type-C cable. You will get it in the box itself, and these are the extra earbud, you can get it. So these are the extra pair we received in the box itself. So let's talk about this particular feature of this particular Airdopes. If you see, this is boAt's Airdope 219, okay, and it gives us the 40 hours of power playback once it is fully charged. Okay, and there are some couple of features are there, like here it's a 13 mm drivers, boAt's signature sound. Okay, so you could not face any kind of interruption while receiving any kind of a song, or any kind of listening of any song, any videos, or any kind of a movies. Okay, similarly we have a speed and splash resistance, so it is registered with IP68 and 69, so you need not worry about any kind of water flashes or some water airdrops has been dropped here. Okay, so these are the couple of good features. Yeah, and it's an advanced Bluetooth V54 which is inbuilt in this particular Airdope. So that's it. It's look like a very premium, and it's worthy. I bring it from the Amazon itself, from the 1100 price to be precise. Okay, and this is all about this particular Airdopes. So again repairing it in the box itself. It seems to be very so this is it. I'm closing this. So thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.